Hello kids, today we will learn about farm animals and their home. Dog. Dog lives in a kennel. Rabbit. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Turkey. Turkey lives in a coop. Horse. Horse lives in a stable. Pig. Pig lives in a pigsty. Dove. Dove lives in a dovecote. Cow. Cow lives in a shed. Donkey. Donkey lives in a stable. Bee. Bee lives in a hive. Cat. Cat lives in a cattery. Sheep. Sheep lives in a barn. Goat. Goat lives in a shed. Duck. Duck lives in a pond. Mule. Mule lives in a stable. Ostrich. Ostrich lives in a paddock. Rat. Rat lives in a hole. Gable. Gable lives in a cage. Thanks for watching.